classmates from Grotto boat tour, and they're waiting to board the bus, not the bus, the boat, and it's on this beautiful river. It's the only navigable river in Kauai. It's the Wailua River, and this is the marina. You can see boats. Sometime we will start our boat trip, so you can see beautiful parks against the blue sky. We have started our boat tour, so we are moving on the Wailua River. We are very close to the engine, so that's why the sound.
First wedding done up there at the grotto, and of course they will get together and sing the beautiful Hawaiian wedding song. All in Hawaiian, and after that song is finished, you go right ahead and kiss your partner or your loved ones, and of course come back to this very same boat, the waiting. Now on the way down the river, you'll have all your Hawaiian music and your hula dancing part of the tour. And if there's a particular song that you might want to listen to, go ahead and yell it out to them. If they know it, they'll do it. Other than that, just kick back, relax, and enjoy the ride. I am Captain Michael. Welcome on board the Wave. Now, first of all, the mountain that's right in front of us, that is called Mount No-No, also known as the Sleeping Giant. There is a profile of a man's face. He's lying flat on his back facing skyward. The highest peak of the mountain, that's going to be part of his forehead. From that point, you work towards the right. Just going to trace that mountain line against the clouds. So the highest peak, part of the forehead, there's a stubby eyelash A very, very flat, long nose, a mouth that's slightly open, and he has a long chin, and of course a thick neck. You have to have a bit of imagination that would help you, or even Mai Tai. Mai Tais can help a lot of people, huh? Now off to the right, this is Highway 580. It will take you up to one of our beautiful waterfalls, the Opai Ka'a waterfalls. Opai meaning shrimp, and Ka'a means to roll. It is the falls of the rolling shrimp. Several lookouts up there overlooking a river and a valley, and a little village that will be passing on the way to the Fern Grotto. Now in front of the boat, on top of the hill, you see a bunch of palm trees or coconut trees, marks the location of one of many hails. A hail is a temple or a place of worship. This is the Oahu hail, and was dedicated to the Templar Oahu. They're in from 300 to 500 inches of rain per year on an average. The year 1982 broke the world's record of having over 680 inches of rain. Lots of rain up there. Supplies many rivers and countless of other streams. Now the mountain slightly off to the left in front of the boat. And it sort of looks like the end of a freight train trying to come out of that mountain. The mountain called Fu, which means forbidden, or no trespassing. In ancient days, that particular mountain and Mount Nono were imaginary boundary lines separating the Hawaiian people, because this entire valley was the home of the Ali'i. Now it was Chief Moikeha of Tahiti, of royal blood. So he was Ali'i. Ali'i means royalty. Ali'i woke. And they worked their way all the way up this entire valley. Claimed the valley to be for them, the Ali'i. Now outside of this valley, it was considered to be a commoner, the common people, or the Marquesan people. You see, the Marquesan people landed here first, at the west side of the island of Kauai, Waimea. And of course, they were trying to work their way across the island as well. Now, if they were caught coming into this valley, well, they were severely punished, or even put to death. Now there'll be one exception though, whenever the chief or the chiefess need to build up their army, or for the warriors, they'll send their messengers to the common villages to find any women that were expecting. Wrap it up in copper pot, put it in a track of a rock that they call Pohonka people. Hold the naval card rock. They'll leave it there for several days to see if it was tampered by whatever it may be. Not disturbed, then the boy was entered into the Ali'i to be a warrior. But if it was disturbed in any kind of way, the child was actually put away or put to death. So the Ali'i were very superstitious. They really thought if the mother had a girl, well, after resting, her and her baby will have to head back to their village, for the Ali'i were only interested in the boys, mainly to build up the army of the warriors for the Ali'i. Now, just a little history of the Smith family. It is Walter Smith. Back in 1946, believe it or not, with the little rowboat and an outboard motor. You see, Walter was actually up the Mississippi River. And when he seen all these barges pushed by tugboats, and when he came back home, he drew this all up and patented the whole thing. What we're writing in today is called a composite unit, or basically meaning that there is two units that is hooked up with pins making a whole unit. The front bottom bars that we're on will draft about 3 to 4 inches of water. This boat is 20 feet across and 64 feet in length. The weight will handle up to 100 passengers. The motor part in the back are pusher. Houses are 2, 6. Yummy, yummy boy in all your tummy. Okay, that sounds like a no. Nobody likes that boy, not even us. All we like to do is sell it to the luau people, and who does the luau people sell it to? Oops, sorry. Now, of course, boy, I know a lot of you on this boat. Whatever your mom and dad put on that table, that's what you're eating. And every now and then, my dad will put his little bowls of poi for each one of us kids. And he told us how to eat it, so that was the difference. Really have to eat it with something with a lot of flavor. Now, off here to the left side, the tall trees at the base of the mountain, and the tall trees off here to the right. This is the
makes me happy, makes me feel fine. Tiny bubbles all together now, makes me warm all over. With a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Now here's to the golden moon. So here's to the golden moon, and here's to the silvery sea. But mostly is a toast to you and me. Tiny bubbles in the wine, makes me sexy. With a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. With a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Hey, some of the most requested songs. Mahalo. Thank you. Alright, I forgot to mention, gang, every time we pass another boat,
let's do that again. Hina, oh you, there, somebody singing it now.
love me always, promise always. Ooh, you'll remember too. I remember you. I remember you. A song by request, Kauai.